Does your kitchen still feel messy, no matter how often you clean it? The problem usually isn't the size, it's how you're using the space. In this video, I'll share simple, affordable hacks to help you organize even the tiniest kitchen without fancy tools or a big budget. Let's turn the chaos into calm and make your kitchen feel twice as big. 1. Stop storing everything on the counter. Is your kitchen counter a catch-all for everything? Appliances, mail, seasoning jars? You're not alone, but all that clutter makes your space feel smaller and more stressful. Your counter should only hold what you actually use daily, like your kettle or coffee maker. Everything else, store it away. Use trays or baskets to group your essentials. It looks tidy and makes cleaning easier. Need more space? Add a small corner shelf or go vertical with wall-mounted racks and magnetic strips. 2. Use the inside of cabinet doors. Your cabinet doors aren't just for closing. They're valuable hidden storage. Stick on adhesive hooks to hang measuring spoons, peelers, or oven mitts. Add a lid holder to neatly store pot lids. Install a slim bin to hold foil, plastic wrap, or zip bags. Even small baskets can hold spice packets or snacks. Most organizers use removable adhesive, so no tools, no holes, and perfect for renters. You can even DIY with pencil cases or repurpose containers. Use that space smartly and you'll free up drawers, clear off counters, and make your kitchen feel more organized in minutes. 3. Use clear storage bins in pantry or fridge. Tired of losing things in the back of your fridge or pantry? Clear storage bins are a game changer. They keep similar items grouped, easy to see, and even easier to grab. No more buying duplicates, wasting food, or digging around for snacks. Just slide out a bin, get what you need, and pop it back in. Simple, clean, and super satisfying. 4. Drawer dividers for utensils and tools. Is your kitchen drawer just a big mess of random tools? Drawer dividers are the easiest way to fix it. They turn one chaotic space into organized sections, so you can actually find what you need fast. No more digging for spoons or untangling tongs. 5. Install a pegboard or hook rail. Running out of cabinet space? Look at your walls. A pegboard or hook rail instantly adds extra storage without taking up any counter or drawer space. Hang utensils, mugs, tools, or even small pans right where you can see them. It's renter-friendly, customizable, and makes your kitchen feel more organized and stylish. 6. Slim rolling cart for extra storage. No room for shelves? Try a slim rolling cart. These narrow carts fit into tight gaps, like between your fridge and the wall, and give you instant, movable storage. Use them for snacks, coffee, cleaning supplies, whatever you need. They're renter-friendly, stylish, and super practical. 7. Use the top of your fridge. Is the top of your fridge just collecting dust? It's actually prime storage space, perfect for bins, baskets, or rarely used appliances. Group snacks, paper towels, or baking items in labeled containers to keep it neat and functional. 8. Hang mugs under shelves. Use undershelf hooks to hang them by the handle. No tools, no damage. It frees up shelf space, protects your mugs, and adds a cozy, decorative touch. Perfect for renters and small kitchens. Stop stacking, start hanging. Wrap up plus one final rule. Want a tidy kitchen that stays that way? Follow the one in, one out rule. Every time you bring something new in, let one old item go. It keeps clutter in check, makes space for what you actually use, and helps your small kitchen stay simple, clean, and functional. Which hack will you try first? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart home tips.